just think I'm too
So everybody's continuing to work on the project. Matt has that pro-charged Z28 that we had in last week. We had to push it to the side. Order some headers for it, and some other stuff. You in the process of doing headers now?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the one that had the issues. This is the stock bottom end one. The other one has already left. That one was good to go. Obviously that new intake manifold as well. So there's the new pipe.
Jesus. So no FedEx yet, Bill.
Oh, so it did have cat
Get my hopes up.
but
Yeah, there's something in there.
oh my god! Oh my god! Looks like Michael J. Fox welded this thing. That's something you expect to see on an F-body, not a fucking Z28. Well, the other one is out as well.
Hey Carl, what's that license plate mean?
Steve's BMW?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Although if I can get 50K for it, I'll sell it.
Yeah, right.
Oh yeah, not a chance, Ghost Rider.
Alright, small update as to last time we spoke. The car's been here a while. We're not going to do a clutch in it right now or a smaller pulley. This is still pump gas and math. We're just going to try to finish it up on pump gas and math so the customer can have his car back, enjoy it, and then maybe down the road when he wants to do a clutch and a smaller pulley, we can do that. But for now, we're just going to get it finished up. If the clutch was holding, we would do E in it, but it's not possible right now. Not too bad, pump gas and math.
No. Picked up a little bit from when it came in.
Like 250.
Nah, it made like 650, didn't it?
Alright, whatever, 200.
I don't remember what it made. It was so long ago, but
It was bad.
it was really bad.
Jeez. Same boost, everything, like, that's impressive.
Yeah. I still wish I knew what was wrong with it.
Yeah.
Either be a spec or like an old school like RPS, like old school RPS, like the street twin lights and shit that they used to have are blue. But if I saw a picture of the clutch, I could probably tell you, but I didn't see it.
Yeah.
Matt just said it was blue, and it's not a monster, so.
It obviously needs one regardless, so.
Yeah.
You should be pretty happy with that.
I mean, I would think so.
Yeah.
The fact that he was racing it before and like was told that it makes whatever 800 or something, and it was making 6 something. I mean,
So Kyle has headers and everything else in place, exhaust ready to go. He's got to do his head studs, and then we're gonna slide these bad boys on. Magic of television. Headers are on.
take one.
Oh, you're good. You can do it, I believe in you. You're slipping. You're slipping. Oh. You know, time to look at it and admire your work.
Plenty of time.
Nobody got time for that. This one's a little easier.
Dang, them Jones say, oh shoot.
There you go. Header's in the way. Woo! Tall boys.
Show you how it's done
Cool,
here,
yeah.
Kyle. Get her started real nice.
This is going to be the most expensive 500 horsepower SS ever.
That
Look at that skill.
is how it's done.
That's skill.
Well, that's easy.
All right, we'll update with Matt. Matt is not very happy.
No, I'm not happy, Steve. Well, I'm just
The only LS7
putting this thing back together.
What's that? An LS7? Yeah, it is an LS7. It's got a crank in it.
And I'm like-
It's got rods.
Looking at this harness, and we don't do many Z28s. You know, they're kind of rare. And I'm like,
Where's that ladder at?
that doesn't look
It's
right
behind
though.
that.
I'm like, this doesn't look right. What's the fucking cam sensor for?
That's not how
That is not up here.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be.
Yeah, this had rods in it. No, that's not a fucking odd one. This is a fucking LS7. It's wrong.
So Matt is not exactly happy right now. It's one step forward, two steps back. All right, we got a quick baseline to do. Kyle, don't go anywhere. This customer came from Indiana, and he has by far the coolest name of any of our customers. I'm sorry.
What's his name?
You want to know his name?
Of course I want to know his name. It's the coolest name ever.
Jack Stone.
Oh, dude, he's so smooth.
This will be Matt's next project, so he will be finishing up with that Z28 shortly, so we got to get this baseline. Then we have twin turbo AGP car to go on the dyno. Then we have the 6th gen to go on the dyno to get tuned. That came in for just a tune only. Then we have C6Z, I think that one finished. Oh, that one, the America one. That one we need to go on the dyno as well. We got a lot of cars to do. Well, Fran has a lot of cars to tune. 2019 bone stock auto. Who wants to guess first? Captain Sick?
505.
That's super low.
I agree.
Yeah. I think you were thinking 605 or 5. These do between like 550 and 600.
580.
Is that coming about 60 miles on it?
70 something miles on it. Barely broken in. So it could be either low or it could be so fresh.
I'll say 590.
590.
I'll give the benefit of the juice.
Matt, what did you say?
580.
I will go 572.
Wow.
What the hell?
Gotta be something wrong.
Yeah, there has to be something.
Doesn't feel like it's too.
There's got to be something wrong. So this is what we're dealing with right now. First one is 508, 572. 572, 564 torque is about right, but horsepower and then dropping, something's not right.
I don't know.
So AGP twin turbo 5th gen Camaro
Yeah.
we did our fuel system and meth.
The customer did the turbo kit and whatever else is done here.
So I'm also guessing this one has 10-pound spring in it versus the one we just did that had a 7.
Yes, this also has different turbos on it.
Oh, does it? Okay.
These are like 57, 57s, and the other one was like 54, 57s or something like that.
Not much bigger, but...
No, enough.
So we just put a couple gallons of E in it. That was first E pull. Last pump gas pull was killer, 790. That's awesome.
Yeah, that's good on pump. The guy wanted 800.
Oh, I don't make that.
I mean, it'll easily make that. I don't want to go too much over that though.
So that pull torque looked really flat. I'm gonna pull up gear ratio. I'm wondering if it was clutch or something.
I think he put a clutch in it.
Huh?
I think he put a clutch in it.
Oh, really?
I think, yeah.
Oh. So here's the flat one. We just put some VHT down on it and made that second pull. As you can see, it's fine. So it was tired. Good torque. Well, he wanted more than 800. He's got it. A little bit of E.
Yeah, that's where I'm gonna leave it. That's where I'm gonna leave it. It's safe and 10 pounds. I mean, it's good power for 10 pounds.
Should run good. So Eric is actually out today. He is at Carlisle for Nova Nationals, whatever. He goes every year with his dad and both of their cars. So he is there, out today. That is okay. Matt has his next project, Jack Stone's ZL1. We are doing a stage 5 to this. So it's gonna be a pretty drastic change. And we measure our packages at the wheel, not crank. So it is an auto. So no clutch needed, no trans upgrades needed. These things hold 1,000 plus, no problem. You get into that like 11, 12 plus, you have other issues. Plus fuel system, as we've mentioned, not ours. Ours is low side, so the high side, meaning the LT4, pump, injectors, all that gets maxed out essentially on E. You would need to go port injection to really go over much over 1,000, 1,100 plus. Then you're limiting the stock bottom end, and then other things need to get upgraded, trans, axle, all that stuff. So that's why this is such a popular package, just because it's kind of like max right at that safe point, but any going higher than that costs a lot more money. So, all right, damn, looking good. So yeah, the heads are slightly taller, but we shouldn't have any room, any problems clearance or anything like that.
Yeah. Luckily, we had a set of push rods from another car. We put these heads on.
Oh,
so we had some left over, like 8125.
Okay, much bigger than.
Yeah, but they were like perfect.
Okay.
So.
Sixth-gen Camaro. The customer gutted cats and has solos on it, aka no mufflers.
Yeah.
Stock manifolds, And
Oh, really? And it's still this loud? Holy.
Yeah. All we did was the intake, that's it. So yeah, it came in for a tune and the intake, so we didn't have a baseline. We weren't gonna just put it on the dyno without the intake, then put it back on. So we're just tuning it the way it is. I figured around 430, 440.
Yeah, this one's no E. The other one we're doing is getting E.
Okay.
The other one's a manual.
So hopefully we'll be done this quick.
Yeah. I mean, our goal is to finish both of them today.
That shouldn't be good.
No. And maybe start on the C6Z, because I think that's next.
America F, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, is that? Yeah. The silver one.
Another 6th gen. I think this has intake manifold, the LT2 John.
Yep, this is, I'll tell you what it has. Bill told me. LT2 manifold, rotofab, TSP headers, ported throttle body, and a flex fuel kit.
Okay. Well, at least this one isn't as loud as the last one.
No.
Although on cold start it's a little...
It's loud for a second,
yes.
but then it goes away.
Yeah. Here's a tip for those coming in. If you're gonna do E,
Don't bring your car with a full tank.
yeah, like quarter
Quarter is.
is perfect. Same if you're coming in for a fuel system. Somewhere around there is good. Like if we could baseline it and then drain it, we don't have to drain 15 gallons out
Yeah,
of
quarter tank is fine.
it. Yeah.
Because if we need to add pump, we can add pump. It's a pain to take it out just to put E in on something like this. If we're doing a fuel system or whatever, it's whatever, but like...
This doesn't have a fuel system, so we gotta take a bunch of lines off.
It's a bolt-on car, yeah. Just a pain in the ass.
So yeah, quarter tank. We're making it easy on you guys. You guys don't even have to fill your tanks in when you come in. Look at that. 2008 C6 Z06 has 2-inch American Racing headers, Haltech intake, no cats, and Corsa exhaust. From South Kakalaki.
505.
I guess
What does
500.
it have?
Headers, intake, Corsa.
Corsa. Oh, yeah. There are a lot of fives over here.
I said 500. He said 469. Oh!
Oh!
No hood strap.
That thing annihilated my head earlier. So.
Alright, what you guess?
495. But no, I can't do it. 500.
493?
Yeah, that one.
We will continue the teardown on this later. It is 5:45 on Friday. Time to wrap her up.